Hello and welcome to Oops. Right, before we go any further, we'd just like to state publicly we have got no problem or axe to grind with any of the people that are living in the new developments.
No, none at all.
We are just trying to record history.
Yeah.
Because once all the developments have been built, all the Greenland is gone.
Yeah.
So, you know, we're out there trying to preserve on video and keeping people up to date.
Yeah.
Now, this is not called the Killing Fields. We ain't thought of a name for it yet. But apparently the Killing Fields upset a few people. Well, the Killing Fields, and the reason I called it the Killing Fields was simple. They're covering fields in concrete. They're killing it. They're killing the wildlife. You know, the infrastructure's already creaking.
Yeah.
And we're also going to meet two, what are they?
Parish councillors.
Yeah, two local parish councillors on Friday. So we'll let you know about that. Anyhow, on with the show. Right, here we are. We're at the far side of the Bovis housing estate.
Yeah.
And I think it was last year we complained because they'd built an outlet.
Yeah, if I come around this bit actually, you can see, might just be able to see it. It's a bit in the background. There it is in the middle there.
Right. Ooh. Now that was putting out all kinds of slurry.
Yeah, there's a little here, I don't know whether you can see, just a little trickle of water. It is all quite overgrown at the moment.
Basically I reported it to the Environment Agency and they came down and had a word with them. So I'm now going down to go and have a look, see what's going on. So if I don't come back, I'm in the mud.
Oh, so flipping heck.
And get me.
I'm not going down there, you get back on your own. Just be careful. Oh God. Okay, I'm going to try and come down with you. Oh, it could be anything down here. Oop.
Well, there's the first oops we didn't do one in the last year.
Letting the side down.
Yeah.
Oh, flipping heck, love.
Here we go.
Ah! Let's come across this way a little bit and come up here, we might be able to see.
Oh, I'm going to head back to safety very quickly. As fast as I can.
Just be careful. One man on his wellies.
I've actually seen it in... Oh, blackberries. Do you want any?
No.
I've actually seen in horror films where these kind of things come to life and pull you in. They're doing a David Bellamy. That's where the string is. Well, the overflow runs, and trust me, there has always been frogs and newts, and also slow worms.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see.
And ducks. Ducks have swum down here before now.
Oh yeah, you saw it.
I saw some ducks, yeah. Right, we're just on our way back and we've seen these blue markers. But I'll just get the sun out. But just not sure what they are.
I know what they are.
What?
The markers to say they haven't put a curbstone there.
Oh yeah.
Could be.
Well, there's some more down there.
Does anybody know what these signs are?
I would have thought water, but it can't be, can it?
Yeah, comment on our YouTube thingy thing.
Yeah, there you go. That's nothing to do with the building. That's to do with stupid people that have got doggies.
So why bother taking the time to put poo in a bag and then dumping it?
I don't know.
Oh well, I'll take it with us.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Right, here we are at Bonhams Farm, is it?
Bonhams Field.
Bonhams Field, yeah. Okay, excuse me. They've cut a section of the wall out, probably 30 metres. And I have actually heard they're going to put it back.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. So we will see, shall we?
Yeah, we're not sure. We don't know how many houses are being built on here, but the size of the field and how they squeeze them in, there's going to be quite a few.
Yeah, absolutely.
Right, this is just a little bit further down from where
Bonhams Field was.
Yeah, Bonhams Field. We think, I've got a feeling this might be part of Bonhams Field as well. It just wraps round the big house that is on the corner. I mean, my life, how many houses are they going to build on here? We'll find that out.
Here we go. Little bit of a flood there. Don't remember it flooding there before, do you, love?
No.
So here we go, just off Church Lane. Just trying to keep the camera steady, which is difficult for me. And you know, this is unbelievable, isn't it?
Yeah, when you see them, and you know, it's like we're being enclosed, we're being wrapped around by new developments and
houses.
houses.
Yeah, we'll beep that. Yeah, we'll boop that.
Yeah.
Right, so what we got here? Footpath closed. Yapton footpath 347. In interest of public safety, use of this public footpath is temporarily prohibited.
But I don't know whether there's a footpath. That footpath is a footpath goes down there. There's obviously a footpath goes here.
Hang on, I'm trying to keep up with you here. I'll tell you what, you hold the camera. Probably won't get as much camera shake as I do.
So there's another footpath there, but I can't see that you're going to damage yourself or...
Well, let's have a little walk along while I've got enough breath in my lungs to do it. It's really hissing sound, it's my inhaler.
Well, that looks okay on the right. If you come round to the left, there's your boundary for the for presumably where they're going to be building more houses. I'm not sure whether there's obviously a footpath.
Okay.
But is that the one that...
Turn round, look, there's a sign there.
Public footpath. Oh, there's one that goes... Whoops, sorry. One that goes... there. But I'm not sure whether there's one goes across that way.
Hang on. She was pointing that way.
Sorry. Oh, alright. I can't help it. Call it senility.
Okay, so...
Have a little walk, and I mean, I can't see that, but then again, what do I know? It's, wouldn't have thought using this footpath is going to be a danger to yourself. Not unless, oh no, I'm not going to say it, somebody will probably sue me.
Yeah. Or complain.
Or complain. Oh, let me...
We could get run over by people on scooters.
You could do. Not sure whether you can see anything over there. Oh, it looks like there's a bit of a house going up there. A few houses there. A few houses there. Right. Whoops. What's the molehills? They're probably more treacherous than anything else along here. Look, molehills everywhere.
You have to be careful of moles, you know, because they're flesh eaters.
Cracky. Yeah. Right. So this bit, where we filmed earlier on with that wall, I'm pretty sure that this is a continuation going inwards. I'm not sure which way, whether it's east or west or north or south, to be honest with you. But you can just see over there, they're just starting to build. And, you know, it's like we were saying, we ain't got nothing against the people that want to live in these areas. It was very nice for them to be able to live in such a beautiful area. That's what we used to think. What a beautiful area to live in. But things change, eh?
Well, I hope you enjoyed that video.
Yep, that was the final one that we're going to do now on the building works that are going on in Yapton.
Yeah, we may do one a bit later on, but we're going to go back to our other format of us being extremely silly old age pensioners. Yeah. I did call a meeting for a face-to-face with our local councillors, and fair play to them, we met on a car park.
Yeah.
We look like,
rain.
yeah, we look like kind of doing a drug deal and stuff like that.
Did look a bit dodgy.
Yeah, it looked very dodgy indeed. But two lovely ladies, yeah, and we sorted things out.
Yeah.
We didn't rant on Facebook at each other.
No.
That's not the way to get
We
things
talk like
done.
human beings, basically.
Well, I
It's not
did, you
different.
didn't. You was like... But yeah, that's it. If you want to complain about anything, complain about us, leave your comments on our YouTube page.
Yes, please.
And we'll answer you. Yeah? If you've got anything positive to say, be positive.
Yeah.
Because, you know, it's a nasty old world out there, and we don't need to do this, we don't have to do it.
No.
But we do because we want to bring joy or depression or whatever to people. And by the way, I do a good line of antidepressants. But when they do start building in your area, beware of rat migration, because they do migrate. Once their fields are dug up, they look for somewhere else to live and breed. Yeah. We had the same problem. We've had 2.5 years of it here, of building. We've had to suffer dust.
Oh, the dust.
Yeah, noise pollution, heavy machinery starting up at 7 o'clock in the morning, invading our privacy.
Yeah.
All right. So that's it for us now. Support your councillors, support us.
Yeah.
And if you want anything doing, contact Aaron District Council lots of times.
Just one quick thing before we go. Whoever it was that cleared the footpath of those bushes down by the bottom of Canal Road, by the roundabout, thank you.
Yeah, cracking job. And I see even that got a few moans at.
Ignore them.
Ignore them.
Great job.
It's Facebook. It's virtual.
Yeah.
We're visible.
Yeah.
You know what we look like. If you got a grouse with us, tell us.
Yeah.
All right. Moll John looks is enough to scare people off.
That's true. I'm going now.
Peace and love.
Bye.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.